Today I'm going to use some American cheese that I bought a chunk of at the service deli at a grocery store. We're going to make a pie using American cheese. It's very, very good. I must say, I was shocked the first time I made it. I got this out of a book, a recipe out of a book. I'll tell you more about that later, or maybe in the description. But it's from New Orleans, this pie recipe. So there's a stick of butter, which is 4 ounces. I'm going to use 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of flour, just plain flour, and get this mixed up. I have that all mixed up. I'm going to add 2 eggs and mix again. The eggs are mixed in. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk. When you get this, start making this, be sure you turn your oven on, because this comes together very quickly. And just fold this all together. Now, this turns into curdles. It looks like it's gone bad, but it's not. It's good. Very, very good. It's not a pretty pie. You know, it's not show-stopping looks at all, but it is very delicious. So I got that mixed together. I have my pie shell ready, and just pour this into your pie shell, just like that. And we'll bake this in a 350 degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. This makes a small pie. It does not make a big pie, so you do not need a big crust, a big pie plate. And in my oven, it takes 55 minutes at 350. So into the oven. Here's the book where the recipe comes from. My dad loves this pie. I love this pie. Everyone will love this pie. It's a custard pie that is delicious, but kind of ugly. But it is well worth making. I hope you try it. Here it is out of the oven. It did bake its 55 minutes. Just needs to cool down to room temperature. Here we have a piece of the pie. This is a piece of American pie. American cheese pie. It is delicious. It's a custard pie. You will be shocked, surprised, and happy if you make this. Thank you so much for watching.